Okay, fine. There's no problem. Tell me, how much is your money?
My money is 30,000 naira.
30,000 naira.
Yes.
Just 30,000 naira.
It's just for you, but that 30,000 naira is a lot of money for you.
That's a chicken change.
For you.
Okay, fine. I'll give you.
Madam, the money first.
Relax.
Money.
Fine. I'll give you 300,000 naira. Yes.
Let me have it first.